toilet closet flange too high? Let me show you a simple fix that won't mess up your bathroom vibe or your wallet. So, if your toilet flange is sitting too high above the finished floor, it can cause leaks or make your toilet rock, which is just annoying, right? First, check how much higher the flange is compared to your floor. If it's more than a quarter inch, you probably want to do something about it. You can use flange height adjustment rings or spacers that stack right on top of the existing flange to bring it down to the right level. Another trick is to use a wax-free toilet seal. These seals are more forgiving if the flange height is off. When you reinstall the toilet, tighten the bolts just enough so it doesn't move, but don't overdo it or you'll crack the base. Also, make sure the floor around the flange is clean and dry before you start, so everything sticks nicely. If you're cutting into the drain pipe to adjust the flange height, wear safety goggles because debris can fly everywhere. Lastly, test for leaks by flushing a few times and checking underneath to catch any issues early. One of the biggest issues with a toilet closet flange that is too high is improper sealing, which can cause water leaks and damage your floor over time. Fix this by using the right thickness of flange rings or a wax-free seal designed for uneven surfaces. Another common problem is toilet wobbling, which happens when the flange height messes with how the toilet sits on the floor. You can fix this by shimming under the toilet base with plastic shims or tightening the bolts carefully. The third issue is flange cracking or breaking when people try to force the toilet down on a high flange. Avoid this by gently removing or adjusting the flange height instead of pushing hard, or replace the old flange with a new one that fits better. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get projects done right without stress. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros and build up their business easily.